Traditional rulers, His Majesty Eze Chika Madewoluodo, DSSROS, Ezo Hapara, 4th of Hapara Kingdom, during to the Governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara, GSS-ROS, on Friday, 18th October 2024, at Government House, Port Harcourt. Your Excellency, Sir Siminalayi Fubara, GSS-ROS, Executive Governor of Rivers State. Your Excellency, Professor Mrs. Ngozi Odo, Deputy Governor of Rivers State. Chief Dr. Tami Wenike Danagogo, Secretary to the State Government. Members of the State Executive Council, particularly the Honorable Engineer Charles Amadi, Commissioner for Chieftaincy and Community Affairs. My fellow monarchs of Rivers State, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, I wish to, on behalf of all members of the Rivers State Council of Traditional Rulers, thank His Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State, for approving the request for this Solidarity Courtesy visit within short notice. The Rivers State Council of Traditional Rulers, in an extraordinary meeting held on Tuesday, 8th October 2024, reviewed some incidents which took place in the state before and after the October 5th, 2024 local government elections, and unanimously agreed to pay His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, a courtesy visit, which, in the wisdom of members of council, would provide an opportunity for council to speak to our people, politicians, their supporters, as well as non-indigenous of Rivers State, who are fanning the embers of war in Rivers State from their safe locations outside the Rivers State. The Rivers State Council of Traditional Rulers, after a thorough evaluation of governance in the state for the past 1 year, noted that the administration of His Excellency, Sir Siminalayi Fubara, GSS-ROS, is committing the resources of state into necessary critical physical and human infrastructural developmental projects. The council also noted with satisfaction the government's investment in security of life and property as evident in the equipment of the Nigerian police and other state security apparatuses for optional functionality. Members of council wish to appreciate His Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State, for the peaceful manner in which he handled the political challenges created in the state by some disgruntled elements before, after the October 5th, 2024 local government elections. The council also commended residents of the state for listening to the governor's message of peace and for being each other's keeper during the just concluded local government election, which was adjudged to be very peaceful, even without security cover from the Nigerian police. In view of the Thank you. In view of the foregoing successes stories, the Rivers State Council of Traditional Rulers has passed a vote of confidence on His Excellency, Sir Siminalayi Fubara, GSSRS. Thank you. The Executive Governor of Rivers State, and further stated Council's resolve to continue to support the Governor in all his programs and policies throughout his tenure. The Rivers State Council of Traditional Rulers, however, noted with dismay the unpatriotic resolve of some prominent sons and daughters of the state to instigating and funding violence in the state. Members of the council noted sadly also that some of the acts of violence perpetrated in the state in recent weeks were carried out in broad daylight, while the security agencies looked the other way. The Rivers State Council of Traditional Rulers, while thanking His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, for his stance of peace in Rivers State, called on him not to allow any person or group of persons to use his good name as a cover to continue to cause trouble in Rivers State. The president should not allow himself, his body language, or those exercising part of the powers that flow from his office to be seen as taking part in the seemingly unending political crisis in Rivers State. The president should do everything necessary to keep Rivers State at peace in the interest of the nation. Let me at this point once more appeal to all parties to shift their swords and work for peace, unity, and prosperity of Rivers State, because we have no other place to call home except Rivers State. Thank you, Your Excellency, for this opportunity. God bless Rivers State. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Thank you for coming. to lean us your elbow shoulder. That is the truth. You're coming to see us this afternoon is a reassurance that we're not standing alone. We have the royal fathers who controls all the villages, the communities, which makes up the river state on our side. So what else do I need to say? What else do I need to showcase to the world that will have the support of Rivers people? You are the rivers. You are the leaders. You are the kings. You are the chiefs. You are the all that controls the locals that makes up the entire state. So I say thank you for coming to reassure this administration that you have our back. Election has come, election has gone. It is only God that made it possible. It is not myself, neither our calculation. It is God that made it work that way. So we return all thanks to God and God alone. I will assure you that as a government, we will continue to respect this institution. We will not do anything within our power, directly or indirectly, knowingly or unknowingly, to undermine any of you. If we have wronged you in any way, let me say sorry here. But I don't think we'll wrong you deliberately, because you are our fathers. So I want to thank you, more especially the chairman, for finding time, troubling your colleagues to come and see us this afternoon. We appreciate, and we're not taking it for granted. That's our long-awaited request, eh? We have to grant it today. Secretary to the state government, please, as we're leaving here, let's conclude every arrangement for the vehicles for them. For those of them who want the vehicle, for those who want the money, let's commence the process to effect the immediate release of the funding.
Can get it, Abi? Rufus, can you get it?